Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to generate an app password in Gmail Google Workspace. So an app password is a special 16-character code that lets certain apps, email clients, TP tools, or older integrations connect to your Google account. So this is helpful when an app cannot use the normal Google sign-in process. Instead of using main Google password, you use this app password for that specific app. So to start, open up your Google account, and you can do this from any Google page by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. Then selecting Manage your Google account. And once you are inside your account settings, go to Security from the left menu. And under the Signing in the Google section, click Two-Step Verification. If it is not turned on yet, follow the steps on the screen to enable it. And then the app passwords only work after two-step verification is active. After that, go back to the security page and look for app password. Click it, then verify your identity if Google asks. Now, enter a name for the app password. Use a simple label that helps you remember where it will be used, like the app, device, or email tool that you are setting up. Next, click Create, and then Google will generate a 16-character password. So copy it right away because you may only see it once. Then go to the app or service that you're connected and paste the app password into the password field instead of your regular Google password. So once it is saved, the app should be able to connect to your Gmail or Google Workspace account. And it is best to create a separate app password for each app or device so that you can remove access easily later. So if you are using a work or school account and you do not see app passwords, your admin may have disabled it. Also, never share your app password if you no longer need it or if you think it was exposed. So go back to the app password page and delete it. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.